how to add a subpage in Wix Studio. To start, I'm going to add a new service page using a template already available. Let's rename this to Rental. Then, on the page settings, SEO Basics, let's change the URL slug to Rental. Next, change the parent page to the desired page, in this example, the Services page. This will make the rental page URL have a front URL slug of services. Finally, let's set this subpage accordingly by going to the Page Options menu and hitting Subpage, or drag it down to the menu item where it should be a subpage of. Thank you for watching.